In this lecture, you are going to learn how to use the Arrange Objects and the Selection Pane feature in PowerPoint presentation. Let's start with a new slide. Let me add the blank layout and change the background with gradient fill. Now let me copy this shape and paste it here. Let me make a few more copies and increase the size by holding Shift key. Now you can see that the last shape that I pasted appears in front of all the others, whereas I wish this shape to appear in front of all of them. For that, I can go to Home, Arrange, and bring this to front. See, now this appears above all of them. But if you want to fine-tune one behind the other, such as you will get confused to get this behind the shape 2 but above shape 4. So to do this, let's go to Drawing Tools Format tab, Selection Pane, and then you can see this is rectangle 1, this is rectangle 4. As per my requirement, rectangle 4 should come last, that is, this should be behind all of them. Let me drag rectangle 2 above. Now you can see rectangle 1 is above all or in front of all. Rectangle 2 is behind rectangle 1 but in front of rectangle 3. The same goes for rectangle 4. Now let me copy this group from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and this slide. I wish to make a mirror image of these groups. For that, go to Arrange, Rotate, and Flip Horizontal. That's it. Our texts have come to the left. The icons remains same. Circle remains same. And we have also got the connector lines. So it's very easy instead of copying and doing multiple works. Now let me select these groups, go to Home and make it right aligned. In the next lecture, we are going to make these cubes into a perfect step-like structure using the size and properties.